Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today I'm going to bring a lamp RGB, and not only that, there's actually an alarm and music and Bluetooth that you can connect your actual phone to it. But today we're going to test it out and see how well it works, and to give you the instructions off the bat, how to set this up, and of course different colors, the lighting right up front. So people are going to use this for alarm to wake up, and it's a touch, so you'll be able to get it going. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so really tiny, really small. I like it. Off the bat, it's just, it's a white cover. Now here is a really good option, a micro card that you could put in here. This is a plus. So if you have one music and put it in there, you want to wake up to it, that's how you do it too. Now there is a connection here that you connect your Volt, and this is actually a micro USB connection. You do it, and then you go connect to external speakers too. If you want to, accelerate or even amp your extra music, you could put an extra set of speakers. There's an alarm that you could set up right here. If you guys can see the alarm settings here, power button, and then the music buttons here. Of course, this is a rubber base so it's gonna stay fixed in one area. There's not double-sided tape, but there it comes a little cover that you need to remove. Now the clock is right in the front. If you guys can see it, it's gonna be highlighted from here. We're gonna plug it into one of our external batteries. Make sure it works. Now the only thing that I was a little didn't like about it was that the cord was too short for any kind of connection, so you are going to need some sort of power come into it. So then we're going to plug it into one of our batteries. The TF is actually anything you program in here. You put in any kind of MP3s, it will automatically wake you up with the MP3s. So that's what the TF stands for. Now the BT is for the actual Bluetooth, and we are going to plug in our phone. And now we're charging the actual unit. So there's built-in batteries. That's the best thing about it. So if you guys can see, there's a little charging station. It's actually charging right now. S300, we're connecting to it, pair it, and you'll hear a little sound right there. So once we pair it, we can actually play some music from here. So let me play one of my channels. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host. So there's today I bring another product, an LED. That's not bad. These are. It's not too loud, it's not too low. It's perfect for somebody that's going to wake up and use it as an alarm. So let me go ahead and stop this. So there's a couple of tones that you could do it. You could change it through the top if you guys could see it. Just very simple. You have to hold it down. So if you want to hold down to white again or turn it off, you just push it down on the button. But then if you want to tone to one, that's the first tone. If you guys can see it, I'm going to hit it another brightness. And this is the last one, and then it goes back to off. Now we're going to turn it back on to the brightest, and if you hold it down, it changes the color green. So we're going to go ahead and change to a different color, and it's a soft color. So they're very soft colors. All the colors are soft: green, red, blue. There you go. There's your blue. And of course it could change it. The tone could change differently too if you want. There's a couple of ways to do it. I like that. This is a nice little purple. So very simple. You could wake up to this. You could, if you're afraid of the dark, this one way you can do it. Just if you have kids that are afraid of the dark, you want to maybe put something soft, not too bright. This is perfect for one of the stands. You could put it somewhere in the corner, and then you want the kids to wake up early. You set up the alarm. You put their favorite music. They could wake up with their favorite music, or you could put your own phone to actually wake you up, or you could use the built-in alarm that it has in here. So that's not bad. So it's charging. It's a fully charged right now. If you guys can see that, it's fully charged. You might be seeing it differently, but I see the actual alarm clock, and it's not bad. It's going to last you for many, many days. Okay. So, and then if you see the battery that's a little lower, you can always plug it in and charge it again. So that's not bad. Holding it down will take you back to the white. All right.
How much is it?
You go hit it louder. That's halfway. Yeah.
But that's from a sweeter, like a sweeter time.
The bass.